Alright, so some of you may ask, how do you do laundry, right? So I do, a lot of times I will go to a laundromat, but if I don't feel like going to the laundromat, which, like I said, anything that I do out here, folks, it's a long, long drive. So what I'll do is I will take one bucket here with soap and water in there, and then this is my rinse bucket. And then basically I'll take a shirt, again cold water, don't matter. And then into the rinse bucket. And I don't, like I said, I don't do this all the time, but I will tell you what, it's convenient, it works. And then you see over there I have my clothesline. Let me just... And like I said, the temperature today and tomorrow are still decent enough that I can do it this way, and it works. And I just do it one at a time, just because in that way I'm really getting this shirt clean. And just get them in there and rub it together. Simple, simple. You know, you don't need to have some big elaborate thing. I mean, I know people, people do whatever way they feel comfortable with, but I will tell you what, these are nice. They're clean afterwards, they smell good. And they actually dry pretty quickly outside. I mean, like today there's no breeze, but they'll still dry pretty quickly. You see if you guys can see. Yeah. I know these are, I was thinking about this, and I was like, I wondered if you guys would be interested in just seeing, you know, kind of the simple way I do things a lot of times. And it's just, it's like anything else, to be honest with you. You kind of get used to it, and it's not a big deal. I mean, actually, in a true SHTF situation, how do you think you're doing your laundry? You know what I mean? You're going to have to wash your clothes. Biggest concern, to be honest with you, laundry soap. You know, what are you going to use to wash it? You're going to have to either use like a bar soap, or you would have to get a, you know, have to get like making your own soap type of stuff, but, or just be stocked up really well on laundry soap. But yeah, like I said, it's easy, it's convenient. I don't have to run out. Like I said, when I leave here, folks, okay, to get to anywhere where I can do laundry, where I can go grocery shopping, it takes me 45 minutes to get there. So, unless I have a bunch of stuff that I want to do all at one time, you know, then I'll go do laundry, go grocery shop, and hit all those spots. But this way, nice and easy, convenient. You see what time-wise we're on here. Alright, well, you get the gist of it. Soapy water, rinse water, and you can see that starting to discolor, whatever. But it's easy, and then I just hang it up on the clothesline, and we're good to go. So just another thing that I do down here, saves a lot of time, saves a lot of gas and running. And I do, especially in the summertime when the weather's nice, a lot of times I'll just do laundry on my own just because it's easier. Alright folks, I'm out of here for now. Prepper Nurse 1, see you later.